Hi, and welcome to Wendy's AIP Kitchen. Such as it is, we're in the middle of a kitchen remodel, but life. Today I'm going to show you how I make roasted beef bone broth. Beef broth is way easier to make than chicken bone broth, although if you're interested in knowing how to do that, I will put the link for that in the description. It's good to have some beef broth on hand for making soups and stews, or say spaghetti sauce, or intense shepherd pie, or hamburger stroganoff. I have recipes for those. I'll link those in the description as well. Okay, so I'm starting with an onion that I have sliced, 5 cloves of garlic that I just smashed, and then I put 2 pounds of beef bones that I got from a local farmer. Now about the bones. It's always good to have a friendly relationship with a farmer from your local farmer's market and to know where your food is coming from. If you ever need anything, you can send a text and be all, "Hey friend, I need some bones for broth." And he'll be all, "Sure Wendy, I'll bring some for you tomorrow and save them aside for you because I am almost out." And you'll be all, "Yay, thanks bro." Know your farmer. Anyway, then throw everything from the tray into your trusty slow cooker, along with a teaspoon of salt, a bay leaf, a chopped carrot, a chopped rib of celery, and 8 cups of water. Cook on low for 12 hours. I just do mine overnight. After 12 hours, scoop out the bones, and if you see any meat on the bones like I have here, collect it and save it for soup or something else. Now we're going to strain everything through a fine sieve. And look at this beautiful beef broth. Now, here's a pro tip. Don't try to put jars with shoulders into the freezer. By shoulder, ow, that's hot. By shoulder, I mean this part right here. If you try to freeze broth in jars that have a shoulder like this, your jar is gonna break and you will have wasted all your good work. Now we have some gorgeous beef broth to go in our recipes. For this recipe and more recipes, tips, and tricks, go to wendysaipkitchen.com. I'll put the link in the description. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great day. Bye!
Wendy's AIP Kitchen was filmed before a live studio audience.